How to make highlights on Facebook. First of all, go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view posts from your friends and pages that you follow. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. Go to your profile at the top. Then, tap on the three dots beside the Edit Profile button as shown. Now, tap on Archive. You can view all your archived posts over here. Tap on Story Archive at the top. Here, you can view all your archived stories. Tap on any to open it. Then, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Highlight. You can change the cover and title of your highlight over here. Tap on Add More if you want to add more photos or videos to this highlight. After that, tap on Done at the top. Now, go back to your profile to view the highlight. Following these steps, you can easily make highlights on Facebook.